new video this weekend has to do with tightening the stem on my RadRunner. If you notice, when I squeeze the brake, I can rock it back and forth, and that's way too much play right there, and it's actually pretty irritable when you're riding. So all you need to do is to fix this is to back out these, loosen these, and then I'm gonna tighten up the direct stem. Then once you get done kind of bearing down and this, it should tighten it up. And then once I'm comfortable with it, I'm going to make sure my steering is aligned. Let's see if that fixed it. Oh yeah, now it's real tight, no more play. I'm still going to go bear down one more time on it. Nice and tight. All right, here we go. Let's see. No, rock solid, no more play. And now I just need to align my steering with steering. All right, now tighten these dudes back up, and I'm done. This is after how many miles? 685 miles.